folks. Jim from Salvinos J R Models. And our mascot, Miss Mia, is so excited she had to jump up into my lap to celebrate the fact that we finally got kits starting to flow. And when I jettison this one, I will show you the I will show you the first of the new lot. And there she goes. So what I have is the Junior Motorsports. It was a tribute fantasy car. It doesn't actually exist, only in this box and t-shirts, but it's stinking cool. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Such a good girl. So here we are. We've been waiting for this one for a while. Junior Motorsports Fantasy Tribute 1978 Chevy Monte Carlo with the Traveller Whiskey livery on it. So let's see what's inside. There we go. There's a nice cream. Nice. I'm calling it cream. I don't know what the technical name for that color is, but it's a nice, very light tan. It is the color of the car. Our guys over at Tumble Plastics do a great job of matching the colors on everything. So there are the round and squishy things, and they look quite nice. Well done, kids. There's our clear tree. And because the roll cage and everything's going to match whatever the outside is, we just shot everything. And plus, you've got the bumpers and stuff that are on, or I should say the tail end and the nose that are on the tree. So everything gets done in the same color. Don't need to open that, do I? Okay, there's our metallic tree. So there's your engine and your seat. So there's those parts. Yeah, you can paint them. You don't have to, but if it makes you happy, paint them. Here we've got we don't have chrome on them. We've kind of made the decision to not be chroming our stuff because there's the guys who love to strip the chrome off and paint them whatever they want, or and then paint them with the different Revell or whatever it is chrome. So you know what, it saves a little time, saves a little money for us, and when you're producing stuff, you need to save money where you can. We're not being cheap. We just want to stay in business. So you can use the Revell or whatever is your favorite chrome paint. And the tree here, you've got the trailing arms, but if you want to put a little time into it, you can put the disc brakes on it and stuff like that. You've got your options up here on for changing your ride height, so you can actually raise the axle up and it drops the nose down. Okay, so here's the important part: our directions, decal placement, and here's the thing. We all want to see what this looks like, right? So there are the decals. Yeah, and as usual, Clay just did a bang-up job on them. Looks gorgeous as usual. 1978 Traveller Whiskey Monte Carlo JRMC 1978 TB throwback. So there you go. So once again, Clay did a beautiful job on these, and this is going to be such a cool kit. I'm looking forward to seeing the builds on this one when it gets done. So there you go. There's a quick look inside Junior Motorsports Traveller's Whiskey. Yeah, you couldn't see much anything. All you saw was, there we go. That's a little bit better. Traveller Whiskey Monte Carlo. Thing looks good. Like I said, it's only available in model kits, t-shirts, and we don't talk too much about die casts. We don't care about no stinking die casts. But that's the only place it is. It's not a real car, but you know what? It looks really cool, and it looks real good on t-shirts too. So anyway, I got one of those. So anyway, hey, are you aware we have a club for builders of Salvinos model kits? Um, doesn't cost anything to join. You can quit anytime you want. All you have to do is go to salvinosjrmodels.com, look for the tab for the Builders Club. Go to, it's a Shopify page. You go in, it's secure. You go put in your credit card information, all your address, phone number, all the pertinent information. You put it, it's secure. And about the first of every month, first week, we'll just say, of every month, you'll get hit on your credit card for a kit. It's I think it's about $56 domestically for American. Sorry, I don't know what it is for other countries. We are open to anybody anywhere in the world. If you want to pay for the shipping and whatever the duties your country's going to hit you with, you're welcome to. But they're for America, the Continental 48s. It's that standard. I think it's $56, and that includes shipping. It includes an extra set of decals. It includes a club sticker. It includes a Tuesday night live program for an hour with any of the other 450 members of the club. Just kind of join in and ask questions, and it's usually Rick and myself, and just the typical styrene sniffing and just going over what's going on, what's coming out. Some of the, there's very often there's some new information, and with how we're changing things, we're changing our business model on production of kits. We've been limited to we can only do like 500. The smallest we can do is 500 units. Because of limitations with the box art, and we didn't want to go too low with the decals, but 500 was our limit on the boxes. We've now gone to a different system and a new box, and the next kit that I get to show is going to be the first of the new, we call them a donut box because that's the way they are. It's a single piece that's all printed as one piece. Hey there. Somebody came back looking for more snacks. It's printed as a single piece. If we need to do one, we can print one. That's just the way it goes. And we're going to pay a little bit more on our decals because we're going to bring the production numbers down. But what it's going to allow for is, instead of 1 or 2 NASCAR kits a month and an IndyCar kit maybe a quarter, we're going to be shooting for an IndyCar every month, and we're going to be looking at 3, maybe even 4 NASCAR kits every month, but they're going to be really short runs. So if you're going to want them, you're going to want to be part of the club. You're going to want to make sure you're watching Saturday mornings to see what's the new ones coming out, because the likelihood of missing out is going to get higher. But you'll have exclusive stuff, and it will allow us to do some kits that typically we couldn't have before, because we'd be sitting on a lot of kits by some drivers that aren't everybody's favorite, but we can sell 300 of some of the other guys. So we'll be able to put out some really cool stuff that normally we wouldn't have done. And the other thing, we're going to be able to put out stuff in ways that none of the other model companies can do, because that's not their business model. Their business model is put out bunches of them, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and then they stop production. Us, we're going to be doing runs of 300, and we'll be doing 3 or 4 a month. So really some neat stuff. And plus, if you're in the model club, we're going to do 4 kits that are club exclusives. If you want one, you got to be in the club or have a buddy in the club that'll sell you one. But really some cool things going on in the club, some cooler stuff going on with how we're going to be making stuff. And like I said, we're even going to be shooting for a new IndyCar kit every month. We'll be doing the lower numbers with the plan of selling everything out. We don't want to pay to warehouse them, right? So anyway, a lot of changes here, except for the dog. We want to keep her around for a while. So anyway, SalvinosJRModels.com. That is not a hyperlink. You're going to have to type it in by yourself. But check us out. Go see our web store. See the other stuff we've got in there. And hey, thanks for buying and building Salvinos JR Models kits.